If you're ambitious but lazy and feeling stuck in your life and career, keep watching. I've worked with thousands of high performers, and I figured out what separates the winners from the actual losers and how to fix it. So these are my 3 strategies to stop being lazy, create discipline, and completely change your life. First is the idea of working hard, or what I like to call the camouflaged hole. I've met many people with very impressive resumes who want big titles, high salaries. They show up and they look good and they know how to present themselves, but in reality, they're not actually willing to do the hard work. They avoid the pressure that comes with responsibility, and they shy away from the extra hours, the things that make them feel uncomfortable, the weekends, the evenings. In fact, they retreat in reality while they show up and create a false persona of how important and successful they are. So if this sounds like you or somebody you know, it's time to change how to show up in the world. First, define clear goals for your life, your career, or your business, and then commit to taking constant action every day to reach those goals or targets. Don't let charm or the soft skill set of being smart and intuitive be the thing that drives you. Set clear expectations. Set targets that you can accomplish. Establish yourself as a can-do person. Success actually does not come from effort. It comes from the discipline of doing it over and over and over until you hit target and you know how to do it. That is where real discipline and accountability come together to drive value. If you're doing that with intentionality, or the people around you that you're working with are doing that, that's how you no longer become a camouflaged hole. See, a camouflaged hole is where you assume something's being done, you're hoping something's being done, somebody's telling you something's being done, but in reality, the result is not there. Strategy number 2, set your expectations. You have to distill the idea of expectations into this. What are the actions that you can take daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually to meet your stated goals and objectives for you, your life, or your business? Lazy people tend to talk a big game about their goals, but they haven't actually laid out what the path looks like. And even if they consider doing it, they don't have the courage to take action against it. So it's 2 problems. Without a clear path forward, you won't have any expectations for yourself. Without the courage to take action, you won't create results. If you constantly feel upset because you're feeling lazy and you're not making progress, reevaluate the expectations that you've set for yourself and then have the discipline to make 100% progress every minute, every hour, every day, every week, every month, every year. And here's why. The value you create by doing this is in itself something you can teach others to do. Because here's why. True value isn't you doing those things. It's you learning how to do it and then magnifying and amplifying those results through other people by teaching them to do exactly what you did. And when you have the discipline to make 1% progress every single day, and then you can teach 100 other people to do that, the multiplier is unbelievable. And that is where true value, true net worth is created. The 3rd strategy is you need to be measuring your results. In my organizations, we literally measure results by the minute, the hour, the day, the week, the month, the quarter, the year. And let me tell you something, those results are spelled out a year in advance. And then we reverse engineer to what has to happen in the now. This is what creates a sense of discipline within the business, the organization, or within relationships by giving clear visibility into which people are doing which things and those that are striving to do it bigger, better, faster, more valuably by consistently hitting those targets. This is how I weed out the people that talk a big game but don't actually do their job and deliver the results that's expected specifically from their efforts. Remember, results drive everything. If you're ambitious and you want to show that, then you need to have the discipline to act towards a stated objective, to develop yourself and to create a positive result. Pay attention to what you're doing every day to make that work. And don't let the feeling of being lazy distract you from creating those results. Because once you do it, you can teach everyone else to do it too. That is how you become wealthy. Look, the reality is, You really can't say you're ambitious and then be lazy. You're either ambitious or you're lazy. But here's the thing. A lot of people have dreams. They have desires. They have goals. And then they get frustrated their whole life because they can't accomplish it. The whole purpose in this video is to teach you that if you set your targets, you have the courage to act towards target, you can get unstuck. You can take that ambition, bypass laziness, overcome laziness, eliminate laziness, because ultimately what does that is how good you feel when you go out and you conquer and you win and you accomplish things. Then you no longer feel like being lazy, and the ambition can take over because the courage found in the results, which then propel you to the next level of success, becomes so invigorating and so exciting that you no longer have the desire to hold off doing things that force you to be lazy for fear that you'll look dumb, or that you won't succeed, or that you'll make a mistake, or that you're not valued enough, or you're not worthy enough. There's so much life to be had, and the best life is when you realize you can create the life you want, you have the courage to take actions towards that, and you start hitting those targets and accomplishing those goals. If you found this video to be helpful, check out my next video here.